Welcome again to Paradise Township Telephone. Let's talk about the trunk hunting connectors for the 4400 group. There was a short in this switch allowing it or preventing it from operating, and there was a ground on a terminal on C6. This is a I don't know, 36 to 45 microfarad capacitor. A trunk hunting connector has an extra relay in it. It has the HT relay for hunt, and you have all the normal relays: busy test, release delay, answer bridge, X direction, calling bridge, ring trip, and switch through. What was happening was when you seize the connector up, when the CB relay operates, the ring trip would pull. It's not doing it now because of that short. This group has a dummied up set of numbers here. If you dial the last two digits, you notice when you seize the connector you get bright supervision. Oh, I forgot to mention the HA relay, the hunt assist. So if I dial 3-1, it'll hunt over to 3-5. Now the ring trip didn't pull because I fixed it, and you'll notice that the busy test, where is the busy test? Right there. Busy test is operating, controlling the ring current. And the problem was this terminal right here on C6. And if you follow this path, this goes to the line through contacts of the ring trip relay out to the ring side of the line. But if you come back this way, one of these terminals was grounded. I'll say it was that one right there, because if you follow this path back through the busy test relay, you either get battery or generator. This is the generator lead from the power board. So it's fixed. It works. And that is how a PBX trunk hunting connector operates.